Okay guys, I'm super excited. I've waited for this a long time and now it's happening. Today is the arrival and I would like to do an unboxing. So let's see when the package comes and let's hope this all works out. I still can't fully believe it, but here we go. Okay, here we go. Let's get it. That's it. That's it. Let me bring you in. Yes! Okay, let's open up. Okay. Get out of there. Relax. This is up. And this is package 2. And there's also an up. This is 1. And this is up. Ta-da! Okay. So, like that. Oh, this is so exciting. Don't fall off. Ow. I got it out of the box. And there it is. Ooh. No. Ooh. Nice. Okay. Let's set this one aside as well. I can use this right here. I mean, I don't even need to move it. I can maybe put it over here on the other cabinet, but that's like, if I'm on my desk, I can reach and there's my CNC. You know? Think about that. So these are the other boxes. This one I pulled out of the machine. Let's look into this one first. What do we have here? So these are the hold down clamps as far as yep, these are the hold down clamps. These here are probably little breakers. Some nuts. Oh nice. 2 wrenches, an Allen key and 3 nice ER11 bit holders. This is box number 2. Let's see what's in here. Okay. So we have cables, power supply. Okay, a nice wireless USB adapter. This is the nice screen. Package number 2. This is its contents. Package number 3. What do we have? This is an Ethernet cable, screwdriver, little Allen key, USB hub. I put these aside. Let's look into them. Okay, so this is the waterproof mouse. Let's have a look. This is completely covered in silicone, so nothing can get in, no chips. Nice. And the waterproof keyboard. Oh, nice. You can probably put it in the dishwasher and still, that looks good. Slowly running out of space, but oh yes. With this one you can move the CNC without having to run a program. So this is the last box. Just wanted to get you in. So I lined them all up nicely, but I don't think that these make any sense without looking them up. So we can just turn them all around because they look beautiful. I'll do that quickly and then I'll show you each one. Okay guys, I give you the rundown. A few manuals, then we have tooling in order to install the machine. We have the nice shuttle. We have a keyboard, mouse, we have a USB hub, Wi-Fi USB stick. We have the nice little screen, that's me. A mouse. We have the emergency off button. We have a nice Ethernet cable, short but fine. And we have the EU plug here. This one is for Germany, and we have an extension cord and the power adapter. And we have a lot of nice little bits and 3 ER11 collets. We have the stopper and breakers, bolts, and a few of these hold downs. And then we have, of course, the nice little router. Okay, so first off, I unpacked this USB hub. And we like this. So as you can see, we want to have the blue USB port to the blue one here. I'll just do that. Okay, I've wired them all up, just tightened the cables a bit so the USB port is connected. That's what I forgot. So, and we're good. Nice handles here, you can quite easily lift it, that's really good. We want to have this one connected to the power outlet. This one connects to that. And this one goes to the PC. The connection to the emergency switch off. And it's keyed, perfect. So, since it's keyed, you can only put it in the right direction. That's good, that's not coming loose. Perfect. And then this port here is for the Ethernet cable, because that's the actual connection to the mini PC. And we're nearly ready to go. Nice. Okay, this wraps it up. I unboxed the machine. As you can see, I made some modifications. I played with it for a while. I really like how it works and what you can do with it. And the next video is going to be about the first project I did, which is a zero clearance bandsaw inset. And yeah, that's about it. I really would like to thank Stu, I'll link him in the description, Andrew from Tormach and Tormach themselves for giving me this machine. I didn't have to pay anything for it, they gave it to me. I wanted to do an honest review and I did the unboxing now. We'll do the project next. Like, share and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next one.